Hi! This video is about death, but I swear to God that it's not a sad one. See, I have just arrived to a really big cemetery. The biggest in South America. All of a sudden, I hear music in the distance and I ask myself, what is going on? Apparently, there is a party going on at a cemetery. People in Peru, turns out, don't just celebrate death with sadness, but with happiness. With a full music band, with friends, beer, and laughter. Mind you, this is a cemetery. I was surprised. My whole life I thought funerals are supposed to be sad. But this cemetery got me thinking that maybe when I die, this would be a great way to say goodbye. That's 1 minute! See you tomorrow!